Low sex drive in women is more common than most people think, and it can affect confidence, intimacy, and relationships. But the causes are often fixable. Let's break down 5 reasons why this happens and what you can do about it. Number 1, stress and mental health. When your mind is overloaded with stress, anxiety, or depression, your body rarely prioritizes intimacy. Stress hormones block desire and make it harder to feel present. Stress management, therapy, and mindfulness practices can help reset the balance. Number 2, hormonal changes. Estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone all play roles in sex drive. During menopause, postpartum, or with conditions like PCOS or thyroid imbalance, hormones fluctuate and desire often dips. Medical support and hormone therapy may restore balance. Number 3, medications. Some prescriptions, including antidepressants, birth control, and blood pressure medications, list low libido as a side effect. Never stop on your own, but talk to your provider about alternatives or dosage adjustments. Number 4, relationship factors. Emotional disconnect, unresolved conflict, or lack of communication can directly affect intimacy. Building closeness through honesty, quality time, and counseling can reignite desire. Number 5, lifestyle habits. Poor sleep, lack of exercise, and unhealthy eating patterns all affect blood flow, energy, and mood. These factors are critical for sexual health. Better lifestyle choices improve not just your body, but also your desire. Low sex drive isn't just about one thing. It's often a mix of stress, health, hormones, and connection. The first step is identifying the cause, then finding the right support to fix it. At SDKare, we provide personalized telehealth care for women's health, hormones, mental wellness, and intimacy concerns. Our providers listen, test, and create a treatment plan tailored to your needs, discreetly, privately, and from the comfort of your home. Your health and your intimacy matter. Don't settle for silence. Get support today at sdkare.com. SDKare, simple, dedicated care for every part of your well-being.